Alright. Kind of typical. Someplace like this. Security system is all shut down. I don't think there's going to be any more flights out here for tonight. Reno Gazette-Journal, Lake Tahoe, Emerald Bay. So yeah, Eldorado, and let's keep on walking, I guess. And walk. I don't know what to expect. I don't know what's gonna happen. Just kind of sitting here waiting. There's Mom. Way too excited to see me. Kind of weird, but this works. Hi. Yeah. Hey, how's it going?
How's it going, Mr. Casual?
What? Hey.
Hi.
Hi, Mom.
Oh, you look good.
Thanks. Oh, here.
Whoops.
Be the camera lady.
How you feeling? Pretty tired?
Yeah. It's been. Hi, Rick. It's been like.
Give him a hug.
It's about. It's about like 2:30 my time.
You're tired?
He's skinny.
Oh, you're gonna be. Yay! Oh, it's so great to see you.
Whoa, man.
Wait till you
Try.
see her. No way. I can hug you.
I don't like,
Yay!
I don't like the
Welcome
background. How's 1 hour sleep in 48 hours, huh?
Not good.
Good.
I'm really tired.
Oh,
But no, it's good to be home.
need a shave.
I just shaved this morning. Dead serious.
48 hours ago.
Yeah. I don't know.
Oh.
Somebody's
Well, we
coming.
have. Oh, thank you very much, Rick.
I hope something came out. Every time I go to take it, I step it and it go.